Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna share the easiest possible way to download videos from Twitter. Now, this is not something like another website or another web app where you will get tons of ads or something like that. This is something different. Okay, let me just show you so you will know get to know about it. So as you can see, I am right now in AWS India's account. Okay, in AWS Cloud India's account. Now, suppose if I want to download this video, okay. So what will I choose to is put a comment, just put a comment and mention a bot of Twitter. So I don't know if you guys know it or not, but Twitter has a lots of bots. Okay, I will just mention a bot here, that is get video. Yes, get video. What this first one, and that's it. And if I now go to this one, okay, this will. Yep, you see, get video bot already made this for me, generated a link for me. Okay, now if I click on this link, see, my downloads are available here. How cool is that? Like, I just have to mention get video and it will create a separate link for my profile here, as you can see. And from here I can download it, and they have download history as well. I can sign in, and there is obviously how to, here will be the detailed instruction about how to use it and all. Okay, that's it. And obviously home, this is the home. Okay, now you can sign in obviously, but I don't know why you would need that. And here is the QR code scanner. As you can see that I am right now on the like on the way, on the desktop side. So if I want to download in my smartphone, I can scan it and download it in there. Rather than that, I can download it from here as well. This should be of like different formats. I don't know why it is not showing it right now, but it should have. I don't know why, but is there? Yeah, there is something that is not showing. Okay, whatever. Okay, there is 15p expiring, but it should be of different qualities. Okay, so back basically those are some different qualities, and you can download from it. You can scan the code if you want to download it, and that's it. That's all about it. And here is its profile. That's the thing. Here you go. That's it. That's all about it. This is the way. If you like my video, whatever, this is about this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the cool tricks, tips and tricks, and kind of like something around this, like maybe more Twitter bots, and if you want me to feature more Twitter bots, like make a whole video about 5 or 6 Twitter bots which do incredible things, let me know. If you want to so see them, oh, I can make them as well. So whatever, that's it for this video. Bye for now.